Hello, everyone. I hope you're doing fine and you're finding something that makes you happy and you're taking out time for yourself. Today, I'm here to talk about anxiety. Anxiety can be referred to as the response of the body from pain, stress, overthinking, and other factors. It can be a feeling of fear or apprehension as to what is happening right now, or what is coming to me, or what may happen the next moment, and other factors. I strongly believe that the definition of anxiety varies from person to person because everyone has different life experiences. Everyone have different triggers, different things trigger different people. Hence, it has to be different for different people. You know the intensity of what you feel, and hence it is important to you, and no one else can understand it better than you. My anxiety has usually been very cruel to me. It makes me very slow and I feel very lost. When I'm anxious, I feel a pain in my chest, which eventually turns into breathlessness, and I eventually lose control of my senses. When I'm anxious, the only thing that I do that time is to cry. Crying is my way of venting out. I've also been practicing mindfulness exercises, grounding exercises, meditation, and yoga to overcome my anxiety. Yoga has made many positive changes in my life. It helps me understand my emotions better, and it is definitely making me closer to myself. It also helps me tackle my anxiety, overthinking, pain, and other things better. And so today I'm here to demonstrate some yoga asanas and pranayamas to help you get rid of all the bad thoughts that have been troubling you and anxiety, panic, and whatever it is that you think is bad for you. As Maharishi Patanjali, the father of yoga, says, Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, which means that restraining from modulation of mind is yoga. Yoga not only helps you to calm your body, but also helps you to unite your consciousness with the supreme consciousness better. प्राणायामा प्राणा which means energy, जिसे हम हिंदी में ऊर्जा भी कहते हैं. It is done to increase the energy in your body.
Bhastrika is a balancing technique which corrects imbalances in the body. It strengthens immunity and is good for brain oxygenation. It energizes the body and helps in anxiety and depression. Kapalbhati, which is also known as skull shining breathing technique, involves passive inhalation and active exhalation. Kapal means forehead and Bhati refers to shining. It cleanses the body, detoxifies the body, and helps in dealing with chronic anxiety and stress. Nadi Shodhan Pranayama helps in clearing and releasing toxins from the body. It balances the respiratory channels. It also reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. Bhramari Pranayama or the bee breath pranayama involves lengthened exhalation which reduces the fight or flight impulse and hence reduces the levels of carbon dioxide in the blood and later relaxes the body as well as the mind. Marjari Asana or the cat cow pose. Hastpadasana or the standing forward bend. Trikonasana or the triangle pose. Ushtasana or the camel pose. Paschim Uttan Asana or the seated forward bend. Janu Shirsh Asana or the head to knee pose. Dhanurasana or the bow pose. Supta Baddha Konasana or the reclining bound angle pose. Setu Bandh Asana or the bridge pose. Hal Asana or the plow pose. Adho Mukha Swan Asana or the downward facing dog. Ardha Pinch Mayur Asana or the dolphin pose. Uttan Pad Asana or raising legs to 90 degree. Chakrasana or the wheel pose. When you have less time and you feel anxious before a meeting or a presentation or anything, try doing the ha exercise to get rid of anxiety and calm yourself.
All the inversion asanas are very beneficial for dealing with anxiety, panic, pain, overthinking, and everything that you consider bad for yourself. I wanted to post this video on International Yoga Day, but I could not do it. So I'm posting it today. So I was just thinking that I'm late for Yoga Day, but I think it's never too late for yoga. So just start practicing it, and I'm sure you'll feel changes in your body that you'll really like. I have attached the yoga video I shot with my brother and my best friend for the My Life, My Yoga video competition held by Ministry of Ayush. Go take a look at it and do not miss our experiences. At the end of we share how yoga has changed our lives.
I have mentioned the link of the IGTV video in the description box. Go check it out and help us win the competition. योगा से मेरी लाइफ में काफ़ी पॉजिटिव चेंजेस आए हैं। मुझे डेली बेसिस पे काफ़ी एंग्जाइटी और पैनिक अटैक्स होते रहते हैं, पर योगा मुझे हेल्प करता है उन्हें बेटर टैकल करने में और अपनी फीलिंग्स बेटर समझने में। मैं जब भी कोई ऐसा आसन कर लेती हूँ जो मैं पहले नहीं कर पाती थी, तो मैं काफ़ी कॉन्फिडेंट फील करती हूँ अबाउट माई सेल्फ एज वेल एज अबाउट माई बॉडी।
योगा से मेरे जीवन में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बदलाव आए हैं। योगा का मेरा सफ़र करीब 6 साल पहले शुरू हुआ, जब मेरे को क्रॉनिक रेस्पिरेटरी प्रॉब्लम डायग्नोज हुई। इसके कारण मेरे को काफ़ी चैलेंजेस फेस करने पड़े, बट योगा की सहायता से मेरे को इस बीमारी के साथ जीने की शक्ति मिली, ना केवल शारीरिक स्तर पे बट मानसिक स्तर पे भी। जब से मैंने योगा को अपने जीवन में पूर्णता से अपना लिया, और अब मैं योगा टीचर हूँ, सर्टिफाइड बाय मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ आयुष। खुद भी योगा करता हूँ और दूसरों को भी कराता हूँ।
मैंने योगा तो पहले सिर्फ अपनी वेट लॉस और पीसीओडी की प्रॉब्लम को क्योर करने के लिए शुरू किया था, बट जब मैं धीरे धीरे अपनी योगा प्रैक्टिसेस को लेके रेगुलर होने लग गई, तो आई रियलाइज कि योगा आपको एक ऐसी एनर्जी देता है जो मुझे शायद ही कभी किसी और फिज़िकल एक्टिविटी से मिली।
I would love to dedicate this video to Nalan Man, my brother, and also Rakshita Didi for giving me the best of the yoga knowledge and for helping me bring all the positive changes in my life.